Here I have SONY Xperia L3 and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So at the very beginning, open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should scroll down and pick System, and now go to Backup, which is here. Now you can simply enable Google Backup by tapping on this icon, on this switcher, and now the backup is active, but you still have no account to backup, so just click on Account to create one. Now give your device a short while to check all info. And now it's time to enter either your phone number or email address. You can also create a new account if you want to, but I have my Gmail, so I will log in with it. HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com, and then just tap on OK, confirm it here, and it's time to enter the password. So let me show you. If you will click on this eye icon, you will be able what your password is. So let me enter it off the screen. And as only it's entered, just tap on Next. Then you should come along with all terms of service. You just can click on them, on all documents, and read. Then also the privacy policy. You should be aware of them because you have to agree and confirm that you read all of those documents. So then just tap on I agree and wait a short while. And as you can see, your backup to Google has been activated. So just tap on accept that you want to enable this option, and from now on your data will be backup to the Google Drive. So backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, including Wi-Fi passwords and permissions, and also messages. And finally tap on OK, and now you can enjoy your device and do not worry about the data because it will be easily backed up automatically. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.